Good morning, friends. Almost snow. Well, the weather forecasters almost got it right. Forecast said 2 to 4 inches of snow. At 4:30 this morning, it was still bright and brown outside. Well, not too bright. There was no stars in the sky. It wasn't sunny, obviously, at 4:30 in the morning. We have a little bit of snow still coming down, but we don't even have an inch. Well, we'll see. Maybe they're just off on when it was supposed to happen. What do you think, Rufus? Well, it's a half hour later and snow's picking up. Well, maybe they're just off on the time. He's gonna have a ball. He's looking for his cardboard right now.
Are you having fun? That's a piece of plastic, not a piece of cardboard. That should actually go away. Rufous, what you doing? You got milk mustaches again. He says it's not a milk mustache, Mom. It's a snow mustache. Oh my goodness. You gotta teach you to shake when you're done so that the snow doesn't melt on you.